Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Here in this video, see this TV comes with standby red light blinking problem while checking. Here you can the main reasons for these types of fault is mainly because of faulty capacitors here in this power supply board. See friends, one of the capacitor is causing this issue. See, look at the top portion of capacitor, it's bulged, so replacing this faulty capacitor will solve the problem. So that's it, thank you for watching.